the Supreme Court stated that impeachment is characterized as a sui generis proceeding, right? It is both legal and political. And it may be political in the sense that people have, the senators may not be guided strictly by the rules, but it is also legal such that it requires basic evidentiary rules and due process. The fact that this was filed not in accordance with due process and not in accordance with evidentiary rules and verification requirement compels us to file this petition before the Supreme Court because the Senate, as an impeachment court, only has certain limited powers within the wordings of the Constitution. It has no authority to declare the impeachment complaint as null and void. So it therefore necessitates upon us, ordinary citizens, to file a petition before the Supreme Court in accordance with Article 8, Section 1, expanded certiorari jurisdiction on the part of the Supreme Court to rule and determine whether or not there is grave abuse of discretion amounting to lack or excess of jurisdiction on the part of other branches of the government. So we therefore have to file it so as to declare it void because the Senate has no right, nor power, nor jurisdiction to do that. So thank you very much for your time, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us all.
Thank you very much. Copies of the petition will be sent later on. Thank you.
We will scan it and send it to whoever likes it.